bright alloys is the ferrochrome smelter, and we produce chrome, and our main customers are from Indonesia, China and North America. It happened that as our plant and furnaces were built, they were built in different times and with different technologies, and unfortunately for us, we have a situation when different areas of our plant and different equipment run on different hardware. So one of our targets for this project was to standardize, first of all, and secondly, we were looking for a system that can accommodate those different hardware and something that can link all of them together.
One of the major things was the availability of redundancy, so not having the option to go down is brilliant for us. One of the other options were the scalability in size. Due to our operations, we could at any point in time increase and get bigger. So to be able to have the functionality and possibility to expand would be phenomenal to us. Those are two of the big ones. One of the third ones was the compatibility with the existing plant. Due to, well, the system already being there, we can't change SCADA each time and it's not compatible. So having compatibility options there to be able to integrate with the existing systems, the existing PLCs that's there was one of the third and biggest things as well.
The full service that EM can offer through our system integrator partners to our end user market or the customer market is from the initial engineering design all the way to the software implementation design, where we could help with engineering drawings all the way to standard operating procedures on software implementations. On initial contact with Bright Alloys, we had a discussion of what currently was in the plant. First thing that came to mind was the Smarty Box of multiple different RTU stations and different product brands. VTScada came to mind for one very good reason, and a very key feature of it is its pre-built in driver library, which gives them the capability to connect to any of those individual RTUs and any product line, as well as the redundancy requirements that were required on the bidirectional synchronization, the embedded native historian inside VTScada.
I started looking at one of the SCADA options that EM has got. From there I met Timothy, which obviously pointed me towards the VTScada, showed me what capability-wise, gave me the training up front saying, hey guys, yeah, go do the training, see what's the capability, and then at least you've got a more insight, in-depth experience to be able to determine will that solution work correctly for you or not.
After implementing VTScada, it has changed our company culture completely. The way we are managing our faults and the process requirements has changed drastically. We are able now to monitor our furnace operation online from wherever we are, after hours, during the weekends, and apply changes almost immediately.
VTScada gives us quite a lot of flexibility with having multiple different ways of doing communication notifications to different people via phone, via push notification, via emails. Currently we're utilizing the email notification for reporting. So we've got engineering, production report, and then also a system notes kind of report, which gives us a good insight into how it's performing, what the operator is complaining about or wishing for, or any kind of request they might have. Easily every single morning you get an email, you get into office, it's there ready for you to attend to. Having VTScada, it's giving us a much more reliable and robust solution with much less downtime on the SCADA and automation side of it. So yeah, VTScada has helped quite a lot, even in situations where there was unplanned downtimes. It was able to help us with information, it was able to help us to show where the errors was, where the issues was coming in, all those kind of things. It was pointed out quite clearly.
Our actual feed accuracy was only within 20%. At this stage with VTScada, we managed to reach tolerances of 1%. So that's huge improvement for our furnace operation and efficiency.
We used to go down to power meters, manually grabbing the readings to see and compare back to the ESCOM readings to make sure we don't have any issues, any kind of problems that we're not even experiencing so far. Obviously measurable, you can easily see. So at the moment we're using that to read all the power measurements from what we're getting from ESCOM and see it on a dashboard live at any point in time. So we can see what's happening, we can see if the power is coming in at bad quality. We can already say, okay, it's not a good time to run full load, we can reduce the load. So yeah, that's helping us quite a lot on the power meters.
With VTScada, we managed to reduce our natural gas consumption by a third. How we did it is because of function of online monitoring of our processes. 24/7, someone, even if it's not me, but someone is always monitoring our system, and we can make our decisions quicker and react to our faults quicker, do the process adjustments instantaneously.
The camera side, which we're utilizing on multiple different locations and different sections on the plant, which is helping us a lot. There's a lot of different features as well, like for example, there's a rate of change, which can show you how things are changing, which is easy to implement on the SCADA, especially if the PLC is already programmed and doesn't have that option available built in.
It happened that last year we had a furnace burn through. It's very unfortunate event for any furnace, and it's a major downtime. We're talking weeks of downtime here and loss of production. It happened because of system didn't notify operator adequately on the faults and the temperature that was rising on the furnace shell, and there was also a human error when operator did not pick up the situation that was going on.
VTScada with its high-performance widget side we then created visualization for operators to see and identify where individual hotspots will be generated on the furnace shell. So this also giving them a bad actors report on where problematic temperature areas are regarding the whole shell, where action then can be taken to prevent future burn-throughs. Here at EM, we are solution focused.
If I call him, he always answers, no headache, no issue, nothing.
I would definitely recommend working with EM and VTScada.